Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg lettuce sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Don't forget 2 fresh lettuce leaves and 2 slices of your preferred bread. A pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper will perfectly season your delicious creation. This simple list ensures a delightful and satisfying meal every time. Now let's create the heart of our sandwich, the egg salad. Begin by hard-boiling your 4 large eggs for about 10 minutes. Once cooked, immediately transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes. This makes peeling much easier. After peeling, chop the eggs into small, uniform pieces. Then, gently mix them in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and your seasonings. With your delicious egg salad ready, it's time to assemble. First, lightly toast your 2 slices of bread to achieve a delightful crunch. Next, spread a generous, even layer of your freshly made egg salad onto 1 slice of the toasted bread. Then, carefully place 2 crisp lettuce leaves directly on top of the egg salad. Finally, gently cover everything with the second slice of toast. Your perfect egg lettuce sandwich is now complete. For an appealing presentation, I recommend cutting it diagonally in half. This makes it easier to handle and more enjoyable to eat. Serve your sandwich immediately to savor its fresh flavors and textures. It pairs wonderfully with a side of fresh fruit or a small green salad. Enjoy this timeless, satisfying, and incredibly simple meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.